Gaze, 500 points. Alrighty. Nagsisimula pa lang ang riot. Nasaya at gulo. Nadala ng lobo. At ngayon, makisabay naman tayo sa sama-samang pagsayaw ng team na sa pagputok pa lang ng lobo ay talagang hataw. Eto na si Ate Shawi, Bubay, Osang, at Betty with the Abstract Dancers.
Nuclear missile launch.
Don't understand what's going on here.
Wake me up before you go, 'cause I'm leaving chains tonight.